It's silent, except for that one thought looping in your head. What if AI takes my job? You try to push it away, but it keeps coming back louder. You're not dramatic. You're not weak. You're just awake, while the world is changing without you. You open your phone and boom, another article. ChatGPT just passed the bar exam. Midjourney is better than most designers. Amazon replaced 10,000 managers with software. Your chest gets tight, because deep down, your industry is on that list next. And the worst part, you can't talk about it. Your friends say, stop overthinking. Your parents say, jobs have always changed. But they're not the ones refreshing LinkedIn at 2 a.m., praying their role still exists in 2026. AI isn't coming to destroy you. It's coming to destroy the old version of you, the one who never learned new tools, the one who hoped it'll be fine. Every revolution in history had winners and losers. The winners? They adapted first. Right now, thousands of regular people, just like you, are quietly becoming unstoppable. They're not geniuses. They just stopped panicking and started learning. They use AI instead of competing against it. And suddenly, their salary doubled, their stress disappeared, and their future feels exciting again. That's why I spent weeks creating a dead simple 60-second quiz. No fluff, no email required to see your score. I hate that too. Just answer a few questions and instantly discover. Gives your personal AI job risk score. Gives the one skill that makes you irreplaceable in your field. Gives whether you're actually safe or need to move in the next 6 months. People who took it are messaging me saying, I went from crying to relieved in 58 seconds. I thought marketing was dead. Turns out I'm in the safest 12%. I now know exactly which free course to take next. Thank you. This isn't about fear anymore. It's about finally knowing where you stand so you can sleep again, so you can plan, so you can win. 1 minute from now, you can go from that tight chest feeling to walking around like the person who already knows they're going to be fine. Actually, better than fine. You'll be the one teaching everyone else in 2026. The link is at the top of this caption and in my bio. Tap it right now. Do it while you're already feeling this, because the people who wait are the ones who get left behind. I'll see you on the results page. You've got this.